everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Hope you hit that subscribe button to join the farm. If you're old, hi. If you're old but you haven't subscribed yet, why haven't you subscribed? Like, you all should see what I've adjusted my camera on. Like, I'll put a picture here so that you guys can see what I've adjusted my camera on. And today I was like, no, I'm not going to procrastinate this video. I'm going to record it for you guys. So here's that video. Anyways, per the title, I'm going to show you guys the 7 things I started doing to my hair that has helped me. I won't go into detail, so if I get any of the mechanisms wrong, don't come for me. And if you want us to go into details, comment in the comment section so that we'll take one topic at a go, do like a 5 minutes video, a 3 to 5 minutes video, and it'll kind of like be a series, daily, continuous for a week, because it's 7 things, right? So let's start. So the one thing I started doing to my hair was trimming my hair, and that is number 1 because that's the one that affected me most when I didn't do it. Now here's the thing, okay, so trimming your hair is not necessarily about just cutting dead ends off. It's just like promoting length retention, in the sense that you always have like split ends somewhere, you always have like single strand knots somewhere, and you always have like something somewhere, no matter how healthy your hair is. And occasionally trimming it, some people say trim 6 times, some people say trim every 6 weeks, some people say trim every 6 months, and some people say trim every 3 months. I say trim when your hair needs it. So your split ends will keep splitting, your dead ends will keep getting weaker, your single strand knots will keep tangling in other hair and causing breakage. So all this, your hair is growing but then it's not retaining length, because in the long run your hair breaks at a point where the hair gets weaker and all that. So having trims here and there, it's okay. You sometimes don't even need to trim your whole hair. Sometimes you just have to like trim a section because those sides are looking a little bit rough. I think I went for a silk press, and during the silk press, like, I could see that, wow, I really have a lot of dead ends, I really have a lot of weak ends. And I feel like natural hair is the kind of hair that can hide those things, unless you do a particular style, or you kind of, you are particular about finding that. So when you're particular about finding that, the probability of you finding it is high. But if you're not particular about finding that, you won't necessarily see it, so you do a particular style. Unlike relaxed hair, my relaxed hair girls that are here watching me, please confirm, for relaxed hair, it's very easy to see that your strands are thinning. It's very easy to see that you have split ends, because your hair is like in a straight form, so you can see it if you comb it and it's at the back of you. It affected my hair. I had to like trim 4 to 5 inches, and that was it 2018 August? Yes, that was about 2018 August. I had to cut like, or cut literally 4 to 5 inches off, because I had like dead ends, and I'm here. So occasionally I trim my hair when I feel I need to trim my hair. The second thing was protein treatment, or protein treatment. I started doing protein treatment. Now I'm very high porosity, and technically per the natural hair rules, I have something to say about the natural hair rules though. There are so many rules that don't apply to literally everybody, but then there are rules that people have to follow, and that's kind of like wrong, because everyone's hair is different. But according to the natural hair rules, I'm high porosity, I need protein. The second video on my channel was kind of like a grow your hair 1 to 2 inches overnight. Looking back then, I actually thought I grew my hair 1 to 2 inches. I actually thought I grew my hair overnight, but that wasn't the case. The thing included egg and some oils, and the thing about that is egg is protein, and protein increases your hair elasticity. So it was kind of like increasing my hair elasticity overnight. And so when I stretched my hair, it obviously was longer. No, it was just more elastic, so it looked longer. Protein strengthens the hair, proteins give the hair body, proteins increases the elasticity of the hair. Proteins generally strengthen your hair. Basically, if you want us to go into details on how this will help your hair, comment in the comment section. We'll do a 1-week series for all the various points. The third thing is Ayurveda. I started using Ayurveda. Like, I'm so not consistent with it, and I'm trying to be consistent with it nowadays, but Ayurveda really works. Like, you should, I'll try and link a channel down below that really talks about Ayurvedic hair type. The next thing I can say is I started shampoo in. So basically that's the fourth one. Basically pre-poos are like treatments that you do to your hair to either strengthen it or prevent your shampoo for actually stripping your natural oils. They kind of like help detangle your hair before you actually shampoo. They help strengthen your hair before you actually shampoo. They help infuse moisture before you actually shampoo, based on the people you use. So there are different peoples for different purposes, but I actually started doing oil people. Also, another thing I started doing is deep conditioning. And I talked about protein treatment. Yes, I wasn't necessarily deep conditioning. I was, because I got my first hair set. My first hair set didn't include a deep conditioner. It just had shampoo, razor conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. So that's literally what I was doing. Then I started getting into like organic mixes. I think that's our fifth one. I started getting into organic mixes, and then I changed from Air Naturals to We Naturals, and I literally bought everything. And We Naturals came with a deep conditioner. So We Naturals deep conditioner is kind of like my first deep conditioner. So that's when I started doing deep conditioning, and it really helps so much, because sometimes you're treating your hair, you're trying to do a particular style, and it's like it's so difficult, and all deep conditioning really softens the hair, also increases the hair elasticity and infuses moisture into your hair. As you know, I'm high porosity, so it's like we need some moisture. I mean, the sixth thing is I started hydrating my hair on a daily basis. Like anytime I feel my hair is dry, I just take my aloe vera hair mist and put it in my hair. That's how I fell in love with my Air Naturals hair mist. You all know that video when I talk about my year worth natural hair product. The Air Naturals aloe vera hair mist on a daily basis. Every morning when I wake up, I spread some in my hair. I put some oils on my hands. I try and like moisturize my hair, on a daily basis. Like that's just my hair, it needs that moisture. So I spread my aloe vera hair mist on my hair, and yeah, it makes such a difference. It makes such a huge difference. So that's one thing I started doing. It has really helped my hair combat dryness. It has really helped my hair combat dryness a lot, and I'm glad, because my hair is dry AF. But usually when people touch my hair, like, your hair is not dry. I'm like, you don't know what I've done. Like there are steps you have to go through to do grease. I started using grease, and that's a very highly moisturizing substance. A lot of people don't like using grease. There's this thing in the natural hair community about grease, and people are scared of grease. Grease increases buildup, blah 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 blah. But grease is a very good moisturizing agent, and that's something I started doing because I'm high porosity. Again, I keep saying it, like I'm high porosity, and if I don't moisturize my hair properly, all the water is going to get out of my hair, and my hair is going to be dry AF. So grease is something that you can use on your hair and to moisturize your hair for a couple of days. All of a sudden I saw this Dax, and Dax really smells good, right? So I saw this Dax, and I was like, let me just get it. I used it, and I'm like, okay, it moisturizes my hair real good. So I'm still using grease. That's the end of our 7th point, and thank you guys for watching this video. There are literally people passing by, and I hope the audio was good so I don't have to remake this video again. If you're here, comment lovely. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a lovely day. Hope you hit that subscribe button. If you want us to take these points one by one for like the 7 days, comment in the comments. And these are things I started doing to my hair that's helped me. If you have tried some of those things that aren't helping you, everyone's hair is different, so you shouldn't like force it. But then if you haven't tried some of these and you'd like to try some of this, you try it and give us some like feedback. If you do some of this, comment in the comment section, tell us what you use. So have a lovely day, have a nice day, and bye.